Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a new mobile application or mobile cryptocurrency that you can earn by simply pressing a button once a day. The project I'm talking about is a relatively new project called High Dollars, and I believe that you should take advantage of the fact that it's a new thing because that means that you can hop on the train pretty much from the start. This project is not actually a separate application, it's actually a part of the Telegram application, so basically High Dollars is a chatbot. High Dollars is quite different from other projects because it aims to become a crypto-based banking application that allows you in the future to manage your cryptocurrency trade, buy, send, or exchange, and so on, but also plans to offer you multi-currency accounts you can use as your regular bank account and much more. And instead of creating their own application, you can just find High Dollars in your Telegram, as I mentioned before, and the only access you need to grant High Dollars is your phone number, which will also serve as your account number. Besides Telegram, High Dollars also plans to add support on WhatsApp, Messenger, and other messaging applications, which is actually really cool because you won't need any fancy wallets to send your cryptocurrency or funds to somebody. You will just need a messaging app of your choice. High Dollars also plans to create their own cryptocurrency and their own blockchain called High Chain. And you can also find the High Dollar token on the Ethereum blockchain. High Dollar is a really great app and does everything right. First of all, they provide users with an incentive to use the app once per day, and basically all you have to do is enter the High Dollar chat and type in claim daily rewards, which does exactly what it says. Second of all, if you go back to the High Dollar chat, you will see that there are some buttons on there, and if you try and press one of them, they're actually not available right now, which means that the app is still developing, and that is a great thing because, as I said before, you just need to hop in as soon as possible, so you kind of have like an advantage in front of anybody else. What works right now is the referral system, and just like in other projects, when someone uses your referral link to sign up for High Dollars, for example, you will receive rewards as long as they're active. One of the things that should really make you believe in this app and its potential is the team behind it. As you can see, the team behind High Dollars is composed out of people who have worked with companies like big companies such as Bitcoin.com, Alibaba, or Crypto.com. So that means that the team behind this app is really experienced, and I honestly believe that this should give a little bit of credibility. I also like the slogans they're using, like "Let's get high together." We see that it points out that as a member of the app, you can earn up to 20% interest on your assets that will likely be for staking cryptocurrency and fiat currency. So for US dollars and euro deposits, that should follow in the future. High Dollars also plans to give away 3 billion worth of cryptocurrency, so part of that is you getting free High Dollars, but it could also mean getting other cryptocurrencies in the future, also depending on what actions you complete in the app. If you consider purchasing High Dollars, you can just go to the High Dollars pre-sales section up here, and as you can see, the current price of High Dollar is 0.18. So all you have to do in order to buy High Dollars is to click on this Buy Now button, and then a new window will be opened where you will have to introduce your number, the same number that you used when making the High Dollar account. And after you click next, you will receive a verification code on your High Dollar account, which you will have to introduce on here as well. And then you can just purchase High Dollars with Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies or even credit card. I would like to mention one thing here, which is actually a really important thing. In case you want to buy High Dollars, you will not be able to withdraw them because you will have to go through the KYC verification first. And that is part of High Dollars that is not available right now. So you will have to hold on into your assets until you will be able to withdraw them, which might take a while, but they have to make it available because otherwise people would not join this app. So to kind of end this video on a positive note, let's just think about this. What do we have? We have an app on its early stage and its beta stage. We have an experienced team that has worked with big companies, and we have many features to come. So I honestly believe that this is a promising app and it might have some potential. So all you have to do is just make your account and claim your daily rewards or buy some High Dollars and just see how it works. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I will check every single comment. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.